Hello, Leo. My name is Steve Douglas. I'm the Internet Manager here at Pacific Auto Center. You had inquired online about a 2007 Ford F-250. We sold that one, but we have this one that just came in. This is the Outlaw Lariat Edition. So I want you to come on in and take a look at this. It is 4x4. Beautiful leather interior. Power everything. We want you to come on in, take a look at this truck, drive it, love it, and then take it home. And if this Ford F-250 doesn't work for you, we have a whole bunch more trucks in stock. We specialize in gas and diesel trucks. We have about 250 to 300 on the lot at any one time. Nobody has more trucks than us here at Pacific Auto Center in Fontana. Like this 2008 Ford F-250 turbo diesel 4x4 Super Duty. That one just came in. We've got lots of Ford trucks. We specialize in gas and diesel trucks. That 2010 white diesel Ford F-250 just came in to us. We've got so many trucks here. I know your next truck is at Pacific Auto Center. We're located in Fontana on Valley Boulevard off the 10 freeway. We're in between Citrus and Sierra. Come check out the trucks. 909-429-1100. 909-429-1100. So we invite you to come on out, take a look for yourself, drive a truck or two, and then take one home. Pacific Auto Center. We're located in Fontana. 909-429-1100. Come on out. We look forward to earning your business.